anniversary car here at Unique, especially in classics. This one's a 1994 Pontiac 25th anniversary Trans Am T-top coupe. Actually one of 2,000 produced. There was 1,750 coupes and 250 convertibles. So let's check it out. Best thing about this car, it's a 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual miles, listen to this, 17,604 on the odometer at the moment. A little bit of horsepower too, and it's a good sounding one. Supercharged, Vortec blowing, 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. That's paired up with an 4L60E automatic transmission with overdrive. And you can see the paint in this one. It is in nice shape. White interior also looks great. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see this car from the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area, car from every angle, T-tops in, T-tops out, and all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Good looking 5-spoke chrome wheels, radial tires, and I believe those are newer. I'll check the date code on them for you in here in just a bit. First of all, let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, you can see the paint shows well, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Again, white leather interior bucket seats, the 25th anniversary embroidery in the backrest. Interior shows very little, if any, wear. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Of course, dual exhaust. This wing is in nice shape, the pedestals all in nice condition. And once again, all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one: dries out very well in his statement. Also, no shakes, vibrations. It brakes straight. Brakes are 80% in the front. He mentioned 65% in the rear. And then he even put 4 newer tires on there. So I'll check the date code, see if I can find those quick. And has subframe connectors underneath it also. You'll see those in the underside pics. If you like Trans Ams, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can see that driver's side. A very nice looking too, free of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Great shine to the paint. And beautiful interior. You'll notice no stress crack up here in the top of the door panel. If you're familiar with these cars at all, you'll know what I'm talking about. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Again, good looking seat surfaces in nice condition. Embroidery looks good. Tilt column, cruise control, a couple A-pillar gauges have been added over here. You'll get a close-up of those in the still pictures. AM, FM, CD player with built-in equalizer. I think we need to fire this up. Like I said, this is a great sounding car. There is a Crane Cams Fireball H6 electronic ignition that's been added, so you know. There's your exact miles, 17,604. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauge is working. It was also a cold start, so I would expect that temp gauge to be up. Top of the dash looking good. I've not played with the stereo at all here.
More fans coming to Target Field. So apparently...
Stereo working. Again, AC blows cold, heater blows hot. There's that boost gauge. Barometer. All right. There's also the complete owner's manual package with this. Take a look in the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about. Hey, let's listen to this one. That Pontiac V1 making a little noise. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second so we can get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. You can tell it hasn't been driven in inclement weather. That is clean. And here it is. Looks like a little different cold air intake. There's that ignition I was talking about. And the Pontiac V1 down below there. You'll see the serial number, model number, all of that in the still pictures. Previous owner stated dynoed at 450 horse. Good looking engine bay, sounds good too. 1994 Pontiac 25th anniversary Trans Am T-top coupe, clean Carfax, 2-owner, low mile, supercharged. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very fun 1994 Pontiac Trans Am, a 25th anniversary in white and blue. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a nice little whistle coming from outside the car because she's supercharged. And you definitely can tell when you put your foot down that she's supercharged. Lots of fun. This is an automatic, so it's easy to drive all that power. Our gauges are working, giving us oil pressure of 45, temperature 180, the tachometer and speedometer working as they should, and battery's charging over 14 volts, and the fuel's half full. We have a boost gauge right here and a pyrometer. Appear to be working as they should. Stereo sounds great. Glass T-tops over my head. You can see through, but they do have that tint of the film. What do you call it? The film with the tiny holes in it, which is very effective at keeping some of that sun's heat from heating up the cabin. Brakes nice and smooth. Just love when you get down into low RPMs and you can hear that whistle. And then when you get up in the high RPMs and you can feel that power. Corners very nicely the way a Trans Am should. Great sound coming out of this car. Plenty of comfort. Excellent ergonomics. White leather seats matching the color combination of this car. Check out all the pictures up close and personal at UniqueClassicCars.com.